This video is about Lumas W100 calibration and functional demo. Now first we are going to do calibration. So what we will do is press menu and then escape. Display will appear with calibration. Press menu again to confirm. Full scale display reads full scale theoretical value. Now we are going to set 100 kg using print button for increasing and decreasing the digits, tab button for shifting the digit from right to left. Now we have set 100 kg, and then we are going to set sensitivity of the load cell. Default is 2.000. Display division is automatically calculated as per the metrology, 0.01 kg. We are just confirming, and then we are changing the menu to 0 for making 0 calibration, acknowledging using menu button. Display reads 1.98 kg. I am giving OK command to confirm 0 kg, and then once again I am confirming. Display comes to input 0. I am scrolling into weight menu for do calibration. See, parallelly I am forcing to keep the weight on the platform, that is 5 kg, and I am giving acknowledgement. Display reads 4.68 kg. I am changing it to 5 kg using print and tab button, and then accepting the values. Now the span calibration is over. Again, once again I am confirming the values, and then I am escaping and saving the calibration data. Now the display reads 5 kg. Now I am going to place 5 kg top up on the system. Display reads 10 kg. So this is the method of calibration of W100 weight indicator. Almost of the Lumas products have these 4 keys for accessing programming menu as well as scrolling menus and sub menus. So these 4 keys basically does 2 functions. One is operational functions and another one is programming functions. Now I am removing 5 kg again. The display comes to 5 kg. So now I am going to explain about the operational function. This video is about operational function. Operational is what? Now I want to do tearing this value. So what I will do is I will use tear button once to make tear the values. In case I want to bring back the tear value, I can do press and hold tear button, so the display will come back to 5 again, that gross value. Generally when you press tear once, the display will goes to net mode. You can see here the net mode is not enabled. When you press tab button once, you will get net indication. See, parallelly the display goes to 0.0. But when you are bringing back to gross value, again that net indication will go back to disable. You can see that I am pressing and holding for 3 seconds. That is important. Then the display will come back to gross mode. Okay, so the first one is net indication, second one is gross indication, third one is stable weight value indication. Okay, and you can see apart from this kg unit indication, kg and grams, and then there is W1, W2, W3. Defaultly this W1, W2, W3 is for relay output indication, but that will not happen at present because we are not enabled that function. So at present this will be working as a primary functions. Primary functions displays only unit indication and then gross net tare indication and stable weight indication. Only these 5 outputs comes to primary functions. Okay, secondary functions is, this W1, W2, W3 denotes output 1, output 2, output 3, and kgs and grams are there. This is output 4 and output 5. That is secondary functions. In secondary functions, these 3 indicator represents digital input 1, digital input 2, digital input 3. Okay, so this video is about only the primary functions of the indicator with calibration. That's all. In next video you can we can go into secondary functions. Okay.